Lincoln Premium Connectivity allows you to stay easily connected to your life while on the road. It's a premium service that seamlessly integrates enhanced capabilities of Google Assistant, such as checking the weather or listening to podcasts. Google Maps is effortlessly integrated with Lincoln Premium Connectivity to display live traffic and download offline maps. Google Play is readily available for downloading and updating apps. Lincoln Premium Connectivity allows you to stream music, podcasts, audiobooks, and other on-demand content directly from your vehicle. No phone required. Lincoln Premium Connectivity is a connected service that comes with 1 year of complimentary access. Connected services are cloud-based and provide flexibility for you to determine which services you may wish to use. To access connected services, download the Lincoln Way app. Then add your vehicle and activate Lincoln Connect to view and manage connected services. Enroll in eligible trials and complimentary service periods, and receive in-app notifications to confirm feature activation. Use the Lincoln Way app or Lincoln.com to access, view, and manage connected services. To renew and reactivate once your trial service period is over, visit the My Lincoln login page on Lincoln.com or log into the Lincoln Way app and select the account icon. Tap the Connected Services tile. Select eligible vehicle from your garage. Tap View Product Details. Select Next. Select a payment method or add a new one. Review the order and accept the terms and conditions. And click Confirm Activation. Thanks for watching.